This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the Java JDK and Eclipse match the project's requirements and that you can access the project folder. Once done, open Eclipse and use File Import to begin. This is faster than creating a new workspace from scratch. Choose the import type that matches the project, existing projects, Maven, or Gradle, because Eclipse will use different parsers and settings for each. This matters. It preserves class paths and build metadata so later steps are smooth. Once you've selected the correct import wizard, point Eclipse at the project folder or build file, select POM. XML for Maven or build. Gradle for Gradle. You'll see detected projects. Make sure to check them and enable copy projects into Workspace only if you want a separate copy. Then, configure the JRE and project facets. Set Java version and Web or Java EE facets if applicable. Make sure working sets are assigned so projects appear where you expect. These choices affect compilation and runtime behavior. After import, refresh and build. Run Maven Update Project or Gradle Refresh, then clean and rebuild to resolve dependencies and generate sources. Make sure the build path and module path are correct. Adjust library scopes and project properties if some jars are missing. If run configurations fail, recreate them from the project's main class. Troubleshooting tip: if the project shows errors, delete the class path or project caches and re-import. This forces Eclipse to regenerate settings and often fixes lingering path or facet mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.